Hello and welcome to your Safety Induction. Whether you are a new worker or employee, we're excited to have you on board. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to stay safe on a construction site because here, safety always comes first. Let's begin with why safety matters. Every injury on site is preventable. We genuinely care about your health and well being. That's why our number one goal is zero accidents. As a member of this team, it's your responsibility to follow all safety rules, report any hazards immediately, wear your personal protective equipment correctly, and always speak up if something doesn't feel right. And entering this site, always sign in and out. Your ID badge must be worn visibly. Only authorized personnel are allowed in specific areas. So please respect all security protocols and boundaries. Let's talk about PPE, personal protective equipment. The following are mandatory on site at all times: hard hats, high visibility vests, and safety boots. Depending on your task, you may also need gloves, goggles, or other protective gear. Here are some of the common hazards on our site: working at heights, moving machinery and vehicles, live electrical equipment, the risk of slips, trips and falls, and injuries from manual handling. Be alert and stay safe. Let's take a closer look at the typical activities on our construction site and the hazards they involve, along with the control measures in place to protect you. When working at heights, fall protection like guardrails and full body harnesses are essential. For excavation work, we use shoring, trench shields, and ensure safe access with ladders. Electrical tasks carry shock risks, so we enforce lockout and tagout procedures and only allow certified electricians to do the job. Vehicle movement can pose a struck-by hazard, which is why we use train spotters, clear barriers, and high visibility PPE. During hot work like welding or cutting, we require a permit to work, have a fire watch in place, and keep extinguishers ready. Manual handling tasks are managed with proper lifting techniques, lifting aids, and team lifts to prevent back injuries. Finally, when using power tools, we ensure inspections are done regularly, gloves are worn, and time exposure to vibration is limited. Always remember, these controls are here to protect you. Follow them every time. Emergency procedures. Always familiarize yourself with emergency exits, fire extinguishers, and first aid stations. Report any incidents immediately. And in an emergency, follow your supervisor's instructions without delay. Working at heights requires extra caution. Always use fall protection systems. Inspect scaffolds and ladders before use. Never remove or bypass guardrails, and only those trained and authorized should work at height. When using tools or equipment, always use the right one for the job. Inspect it before use. If it's damaged or faulty, report it right away and never try to use it. Good housekeeping can save lives. Always keep your area clean, dispose of waste correctly, store your tools securely, and clean up spills immediately to prevent accidents. Manual handling and lifting. Before lifting anything, assess the load. Always bend your knees, not your back. Use lifting aids whenever possible, and don't hesitate to ask for help with heavy or awkward loads. Stop work authority. You have the authority to stop work if you feel it's unsafe. No job is so urgent that it can be done safely. If something feels wrong, pause and talk to your supervisor immediately. Reporting incidents and near misses. Please report all injuries, no matter how small. Near misses are warning signs that something could go wrong next time. By reporting them, you're helping protect everyone on site. Drug and alcohol policy. We have a strict zero tolerance policy for drugs and alcohol. Random testing may be carried out. You are expected to arrive fit for duty physically and mentally every single day. Safety is a shared responsibility. Look out for your teammates, speak up against unsafe or inappropriate behavior, and always show respect to your fellow workers. We are in this together. To wrap up, remember to follow all safety protocols, ask questions if anything is unclear, and do your part to maintain a safe work site. Thank you for your attention and welcome aboard. Work safe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more safety tips, industry insights, and career guidance. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next video.